Hello, everybody. Holy crap, what a day yesterday. I'm exhausted. I've been trading all night, just getting up right now. Let's see what's going on in the markets. Let's go. Let's get to it. So, yesterday in my last video, I pointed out that Bitcoin was consolidating and that I did like to see a larger move or another breakout. This was a chart that I did the other day. It's on my trading view. You can go check it out. But I thought it was going to consolidate. This is a chart I made where? The 15th. Yesterday. There you go. So I thought it was going to consolidate and break out. Not some, not yeah, on the 16th. Well, I thought it was going to consolidate a little longer than it actually did, but broke out a little bit sooner than I thought. That was my idea. I was watching that closely. Once I saw it past that line, man, that I just added a lot more to my position. So I did take some off the table, but I'm still long uh, my most of my Bitcoin. So we'll see how it goes with that. I'm going to chart that out a little bit for you guys today, see what's going on short term. Ethereum is breaking out as well. Ethereum's it's a nice trader when Bitcoin is breaking out. It's a good buy when everybody's selling their ETH BTC. I explained that yesterday as well, and I want to chart that out for you too. But right now we're sitting at $19.50. We haven't hit 20 yet, so 20 is a key level. 20 is where a lot of people are targeting, and also where a lot of people are targeting to sell their positions. So we have to have a nice volume, a nice big move in Bitcoin to the upside for it to reach my target here at $24. Again, people are calling me crazy for thinking that it's going this high, but we have to remember what Bitcoin did a few years ago. And it's going to consolidate and go back up to, or go up to $40. See how that goes. So far, that chart is on track. So those are my two trades that I'm in right now. Let's look at them a little bit more in detail on a short-term time frame. So this is Bitcoin priced in US dollar. People are asking me to price it in the US dollar because people don't understand the CNY pricing of Bitcoin. It is pretty simple. It is very important if you're trying to trade Bitcoin that you understand that CNY is what really drives the price of the Chinese yuan is what really drives the price of Bitcoin priced in US dollars. So it is good to learn that, but we'll price that out right now in the US dollar. We'll see what's going on. So we had an awesome breakout yesterday. Let's look at the 1 hour. Let me throw in my indicators. My indicators aren't in yet. Again, I'm just getting to it today. So bear with me. My VWAP. I got my STO there, and I need my volume. Volume's in there. And we'll just throw in a MACD. Where is it at? There we go. So if we look at first thing we'll look at is the MACD. There is a crossover right here, which is not really it's not really bullish of it, but the MACD can just consolidate and cross over again. If you look at the MACD on a daily chart, you have to remember what happened back in 2014 or 2013, excuse me, where it broke out to $1,000 or $1,100, $1,200. This MACD was very extended. That was all the way up here at 199, and right now we're just sitting at 50. So this move can go higher. MACD is not the best indicator to find a top, but it is good to know, kind of get the idea of momentum. It's not my favorite indicator. I do like the STO RSI. Reason being is it's pretty accurate. When the RSI goes high, that's where you usually want to sell. When it hits 100, when the RSI goes down to close to 0, it's usually a good buy at that area. So if we look at the SEO RSI on the daily, since we're on that subject, let me go back to a chart that I made, pointing out that this was when? On the 10th. That the RSI is pointing down on BTC, but the price was still going up. And whenever you see a divergence like that, man, you want to buy. You want to buy as much as you can. Even though the price did go up a lot, the RSI should catch up with the price. But in order for it to catch up with the price, more buying needs to occur. So, this was the result of that trade. It went up $100 from my entry, $130. It was pretty nice. I was very happy about that trade. But now that the RSI, as I mentioned here, RSI is pointing up, this indicates that BTC rally just started. And once RSI points up, we sell. Well, RSI is pointing up now. It's up here. This doesn't mean it's the top, though. A very powerful indicator that I like to use is the Fibonacci levels. It's pretty good at showing where a target may be. And if we look here, it just destroyed this fib level at 668. Next level we have is 789, which is about $50 away. It's called 800, about $60 away from where it's currently at now. So we could see some action like this, where the RSI is just hitting the ceiling at 100. The SEO is hitting the ceiling right here, and it could just go up, keep going up, just trapping shorts. So that's I do know the top is near. For now, I'm not calling this a top, which is why I'm still long most of my position. I do like to see. I'm definitely gonna have a sell order here. And it could be even possible that we go up to $950. It's definitely possible. I'd like to note one thing, that if there's a Bitcoin investment trust fund that's traded on the stock market, let's look at it, GBTC, here we go. There we go. What's going on here? All right. There was a high of $130 on GBTC, and this pretty much means that they were pricing Bitcoin at $1,300. Today, they're pricing Bitcoin, or the stock market is pricing Bitcoin at 1,150. So, based on that, that's just speculative. You speculate that it's going to go up to that level. It's not guaranteed, but it's a possibility. Because a lot of people are buying, just they're saying, hey, the stock market's pricing it here, we have to get it there. But there could be a big sell-off. But as we speak, and as I speak, I see some good action in Bitcoin. It's trying to recover. This is a good sign of it's probably going to make new highs. So that's what I see on Bitcoin price to the US dollar. I just want to add a comment on this pullback that we had today from 750 down to 730. This kind of a pullback is bearish. It's real bearish. We had it here, but Bitcoin has just been rallying, man. It's just been fighting against all these pullbacks, which is great. Great for us longs, of course, but whenever you see a pullback like this, it just adds time. You see this pullback, time and patience for the next breakout. It is healthy to have a pullback like this, because when we have pullbacks like this, there's a lot of people that end up shorting into the pullback and end up getting trapped, and that's how we push up higher. Like this was a short squeeze, most likely was a short squeeze. Well, there's a lot of shorts getting liquidated here. So this is how we go higher. And I don't expect Bitcoin to go down until we have fireworks. I keep saying this. I think Bitcoin is just going to have a massive rally. And until we see a huge volume candle are these things here. I'll sell into the biggest volume candle when I see it. Right now, we haven't seen that yet. This is the entire breakout from, the day that it broke out back in May. May 20th, 26th, 25th. This whole rally here. Until I see a volume candle, a green volume candle, bigger than like this level here. We had a big green one here, we had a big green one here. But this big green one that we had here, we have some consolidation above that green volume. That's bullish as hell. Until I see a big squeeze, and I call it fireworks, that's when I sell. That's when I sell, and maybe even short. So until we see that, I will not be selling my entire position. And is what I'm always long Bitcoin. Of course, I love Bitcoin. This is a long video. Sorry, guys. So ETH BTC. I'm still long this. Like I said yesterday, it's a tough trade because Ethereum price to the US dollar is very strong. As I pointed out in my video yesterday, Ethereum was going to continue its breakout. And let me show you the chart. Where's it at? Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Although that chart could work. Where the heck is my chart? There it is. So I do think ETH BTC is going up to this fib level here at $24, and this fib level here at $40 or $38, plus or minus a couple dollars. And that's what I'm seeing with that. I'm still long. I'm going to be very patient with that. It's tough. Like I said, if Bitcoin price goes up, ETH BTC goes down, but it ends up, rebounding. That's what we've been seeing because eventually the price of ETH US dollar catches up. If we look here, this is ETH BTC. If we look here, yesterday we had a sell-off when the Bitcoin rally happened, and it actually happened from here. I remember, right here. And it was just trapping shorts down here, and the US dollar price wasn't moving yet at that point. Bitcoin was just surging, but the sympathy play is what I like to call it, of Ethereum going up with Bitcoin takes some time to happen. So we have a correction to the upside once that sympathy play happens. So these are just easy trades to take where you can really just kill it if you take these trades. But I'm still long. Right now I'm pretty much break even. I could have sold out a little profit, but my long-term plan is working out so far with it. So we're going to keep that on the table. And again, like I always say, we'll see what happens. I'll take my loss if it goes below 0.025. That's where I don't want to see it go below. Right now it's consolidating above that, and that's a really strong sign. So a lot of people are trapped in that, and we should see another move to the upside with that. So I hope you like this video. Oh, one more thing. I just want to comment on this article from Bitcoin.com. Bitcoin transactions stuck. 40,000 confirmed sparks more debate. I mean, come on. we all know what's going on with the Bitcoin network. Now we do want bigger. I'd like to have bigger block size, bigger than 1 MB. But we all know that there's an attack on the network. It's like a DDoS. They're just a bunch of transactions, like fake transactions with no fee. Of course, they're not going to be confirmed, but they like to, they like causing drama and whatever. It is what it is. During this article, or yeah, in this article, what's going on with my computer? Let's refresh this page. In this article, it says 40,000 unconfirmed transactions, 41,211. Let's see where we're at today. 12,040, whatever, 12,000 unconfirmed transactions. Guys, this is just, these are just clickbait headlines. A lot of times they're designed to have people sell into people who, this is my conspiracy theory, I guess, and we see it all the time with all different types of markets. When headlines get bearish, usually there are people buying it all up, and then they'll sell into the headlines when they turn bullish. So I wouldn't sell it if I were on Bitcoin, but let's keep an eye on this price action here. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a long video. I'm really sorry. Please comment down below if there's anything that you think I should be doing differently. This is only my second video. Please follow me on Twitter. I only have 80. Let's get that number up. My Twitter handle is officialcoinrun. And again, give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any suggestions for me. That would be great. Thank you, and good luck out there. If you need anything, feel free to contact me.